In this video we are going to discuss very important concept, that is the sigma notation. This concept is very useful in the so many topics. See, the first basic concept will be sigma n, that is the sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural numbers, that value will be equals to sum of the n natural numbers, that value will be equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Second one is the sigma n square, that will be that is nothing but sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, that value will be equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 2. And next one is the sum of the sigma n cube is sum of the cubes of the first n natural number, that value will be equals to n square into n plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4. And similarly sigma n power k, so here this one will be n value is that 1 to n, that means 1 power k plus 2 power k plus 3 power k and so on n power n. So like that the next sigma I is equals to 1 to n I plus 1 by 2i plus 4. In this one I is that a variable, so you have to substitute that I value from 1 to n. After that adding you will be get the required series. Now we will be discuss some examples about this one. See, the question is that sum of the series 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on to n terms. First we will write that what will be the rth term. So here rth term is nothing but tr. So here what is that rth term? That is denoted with a tr. That value will be equals to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus that in this one r power 3 whole divided by this one will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on. Very clearly see, in the third term 1 plus 3 plus 5, second term 1 plus 3. So like in rth term, that will be sum of that all the terms up to that r. So that means clearly 1, 3, 5, these are in the arithmetic progression. What is that nth term formula in the arithmetic progression? So that value will be a plus n minus 1 into d. By using that formula, here in the denominator, the last term will be 2r minus 1. So here this one is that rth term. Now simplify the numerator and denominator value. It becomes that numerator is nothing but just like it is in the form of sum of the cubes of n natural number. So this one we can write that sum of the cubes of r natural number, that means you can write that r square into r plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4. Okay, so denominator value, this one will be nothing but, so here numerator is the direct formula is there, but denominator you can't write the direct formula. Then in that case very simple thing will be, so here the last term you apply the sigma notation. So this one is that a sigma 2r minus 1. Now simplify the denominator value. It becomes that is equals to r square into r plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4. The denominator will be 2 into sigma r, 2 into sigma r minus sigma 1. By simplifying that r square into r plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4 by this one is 2 into sigma r. That expression is in which form? Sigma n. Sigma n means n into n plus 1 by 2. Here sigma r means that means you can write that n into, or you can write that r into r plus 1 by 2. This value will be r into r plus 1 by 2. So here this one you can write that r into r plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay, minus sigma 1 means that is that r times you adding that one, that is equals to r. So here that 2 will be the cancel in the denominator, right? After by simplifying, the numerator part will be nothing but r square into r plus 1 whole square whole divided by 4 by that denominator will be simplifying r square, this value will be r square plus r, this value is the plus r minus r. So here plus r and minus r will be cancelled, and next one denominator r square, numerator r square will be cancelled. That value will be equals to here r plus 1 whole square, r plus 1 whole square by 4. So now you expand this value, that is equals to 1 by 4 into r square plus 2 into r plus 1. Okay, so this one is that what rth term of the given series. Now you have to find the sum of the n terms of the series. Sum of the n terms means simply you take that sigma tr. Here r value is 1 to n. R value is 1 to n. So now you apply the sigma notation to the above result. That is nothing but 1 by 4 into sigma r square plus 2 into sigma r plus sigma 1. Here this one is that the r is equals to 1 to n. So you can write that 1 by 4 into sigma r square means sum of the squares of the n natural numbers. That value will be equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, plus 2 into sigma r is that sum of the n natural numbers. That value will be equals to n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 plus sigma 1 means sigma means r is equals to 1 to n. So adding that 1 n times, simply you can write that is that n. Suppose sigma 2 is there, that is the 2 into n. Sigma 3 is there, 3 into n. So now you simplify this value. Here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now you take that n is the common throughout this expansion. So n by 4 into this value will be n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by, here sorry, this value will be 6. This value will be equals to 6. Okay, whole divided by 6 plus, here is that n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is that value. Now you simplify this value. Here by simplifying, n by 4 into this value will be n square, 2n square plus 3 into n plus 1 whole divided by 6 plus n plus 1 plus 1 is that 2. So now you simplify, this value will be equals to n by 4 into 2 into n square plus 3 into n plus 1 whole divided by, so if you take the LCM is the 6. 6 into n plus 2 into 6 is that 12 whole divided by 6. This one is that LCM. Now you simplify this value, that is equals to n square n by 24 into here 2 into n square plus 6n plus 3n will be equals to 9 and 1 plus 12 is equals to 13. So I hope that everyone is clear. So now you can be verify is this correct or wrong. So this one is that what sum of the n terms of the given series. You put n is equals to 1 in this value if it will be equals to the first term of the given series, and n is equals to 2 if it is equals to the second term, sum of the first two terms, n is equals to 3 sum of the first three terms. Now you see n is equals to 1, this value will be equals to 24 by 24 into that is the 1. So your answer is that 1. So check this one in the given series. What is the first term? 1 cube by 1. So 1 cube by 1 means that is the 1. So your right answer is your final answer is the correct. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.